Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Android Keystore for JWT storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by setting up your Android project in Android Studio. Ensure that you have the necessary dependencies in your apps.build.gradle file. Add the implementation line for the JWT library you'll be using. Sync your project to download the required libraries. Next, create a new Java or Kotlin file for your authentication logic. In this file, start by importing the essential libraries for JWT and Android Keystore. Implement the logic to generate a new key pair in the Android Keystore. Use the key pair generator to create the key pair with a unique alias. Set the algorithm to RSA and specify the key size, typically 2048 bits. Configure the key pair generation parameters to prevent key extraction. Store the generated keys securely in the Android Keystore. Now, create a function to retrieve the public key for JWT signing. Use the keystore.getInstance method to access the Android Keystore. Load the Keystore and retrieve the key pair you previously generated. With the public key retrieved, proceed to create the JWT header and payload. Use the JWT library to construct the token, including necessary claims. Sign the token using the private key stored in the Keystore. Once signed, encode the JWT into a compact format. Implement a method to store the JWT securely using shared preferences. Encrypt the JWT before storing it to enhance security measures. To retrieve the JWT later, create a decryption method for the stored value. Decrypt the JWT using the private key and process it as necessary. Ensure to handle any exceptions gracefully during these operations. You may want to implement a validity check for the JWT when retrieved. This will help ensure the token hasn't expired or been tampered with. Finally, test your implementation on both an emulator and physical devices. Make sure to verify the JWT storage and retrieval process works seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.